Alright guys, time to open up the shutter. Alright, so today project CBR600RR is starting. So first thing I'm going to do today is strip all of this nasty bodywork off. All of these scratches, all these missing bolts. It's in pretty bad shape. And once I've stripped it all down, first job of the day is cleaning everything up. I want to just clean all the engine, clean the swing arm. Look at this chain, for God's sake, look at that, it's disgusting. So first job of today is stripping all this bodywork off. Look at the state of it. Man, what did I buy? But anyway, that's the first job for today. Strip all the bodywork off, give it a good old clean. Jet wash, degreaser, chain cleaner, the full works. So let's get on with it. So just a quick list of all the stuff I'm going to be using today and the stuff I've bought, because I'm budgeting this bike pretty well, so I'm keeping all my receipts and stuff. So for the start, we got some chain degreaser, some power wash, some regular car shampoo, as they call it in Japan. Selection of brushes, new and used, chain cleaning brush, sponge, and my trusty old Kasha jet wash with a soap gun, what do you call it, bubble maker kind of thing. And last but not least, I bought a cover, because I'm going to have to keep this bike in storage for a little bit, and I don't want people to see what state it's in when everything's stripped down. So anyway, let's get on with the stripping. Ooh-wee. I forgot to mention, this is very important, this stuff. I don't know what the hell you would call it in English, but in Japanese they call it like katariko. It's like to get rid of mosquitoes. So I've got these positioned in various areas around the garage, because even though it's like the end of September, it's still got really hot and there's mosquitoes everywhere, so I need this stuff to keep me from dying of malaria. Alright guys, so I've got to this stage now. All the fairings are all on the floor and they're all going to go in the trash anyway, because I'm going to order a brand new set. But one thing I hadn't considered is when you remove all the fairings, all the couplers that control the fuel pump and stuff are inside the actual fairing. So I've had to just put the rest of the fairing on the like this on the front tyre, just so I can start the engine up and warm the bike up a bit. Before I clean it, I want to make sure that that everything's warm. I don't know if it's strictly true, but I've always just figured like a warm engine, like all the gaskets are going to have expanded and there's less chance of, when I use the pressure wash, for any water to go inside any of the engine components. How true that is, I'm not sure, but it's just something I've always done. So I'm going to wait till the bike gets up to temperature. It's only at 40 degrees now. Wait till it's up to temperature, turn it off, let it rest for a while, and then I'm going to start the cleaning process. Okay, time to move the bike into the cleaning bay. This place where I'm working at today is my old company, so it's actually closed down, but I still got the key until the end of September, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can before I have to give the key back. Anyhow, let's get the bike on the paddock stand, start cleaning. Alright guys, so I've finished using the parts wash now, and it's come out pretty clean. It's a lot different than it was. Found some issues like this. Pretty sure that's not supposed to do that. And the exhaust is leaking a little bit, bolts are a bit rusty and stuff like that. But there's a few bits of oil under the engine, like around that plug. It's a bit sludgy. And if you look at the front fork, just the right hand side fork is weeping a bit. There's a bit of oil leak on there, so probably need to rebuild the front forks. So anyway, now I've finished the actual parts cleaner. I'm just going to give it a spray of shampoo now, just give it a soap, a sponge down, and then I think that'll be it for the day. Dry it off.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I finished cleaning the bike now. I stripped everything down, bodywork all down, cleaned everything up. Didn't really find any bad points, to be honest. The bike's not in such bad condition, but the chain, I couldn't fix it. See, that's not in gear. That's just, it won't rotate by itself. The chain's screwed. The chain's totally screwed. So I will have to buy a new chain and sprocket. But actually, when I was looking at it, I noticed it's only a 41 2.3er, so I'll probably get a 44 for it anyway, so it's not a big deal. And the way it sits now, I just put all the panels, the seat panel, the fairing back on so that I can actually ride it home, because this workshop is going to be gone in about a week, so I need to take it home and store it. Now all the stuff that I'm keeping is just these panels and the ducts, and all this shit is going in the bin because I'm getting a brand new fairing kit for it. The only thing I wasn't sure about is if those little covers and the fairing ducts, these ducts, I'm not sure if that comes with it, and the last bit, it's pretty hard to see, but the duct inside the seat there, I'm not sure if that comes included or not. I imagine those fiddly little parts would be expensive to replace, so just keep that stuff for now. But anyway, for today, we're pretty much done now. Just waiting for parts now. So the fairing kit should be here in about 2 weeks. Really haven't decided what to do about these covers yet. Just thinking about just getting those like carbon fiber protective covers that you sort of glue on top of just to hide it. I mean, there's no leaks or anything, so then I guess like where I found that the front fork seal was a bit weeping a bit. I don't think I'll fix that just yet. I want to get the bike looking in a good state and then get the inspection done, vehicle inspection, so I can get number plates, and then the other stuff I'll just do slowly. So the first thing obviously is chain and sprockets and new tires, because these are pretty bad. They're not soft anymore, they're really hard. But yeah, for now I'm reasonably happy today. I was a bit disappointed before, but yeah, I think it's a decent bike. Just need to tidy it up now, get it looking a bit better, and hopefully get it performing a bit better. So yeah, end of day one on the project CBR600RR. Alright guys, see you in the next video.